How do you know you're in an uptrend? When markets does what? Goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down. Now, what I say, you need to form a trend line. You need to find two touch, at least two touches, which is one touch, two touch. Then you extend it to the third touch. So you need three touches to have a full trend line, which is one touch, two touch, one touch, two touch, three touch. You extend it. Once you extend it, all you have to do is wait for price to come and tap into that level again to find another buy. So what do? We had price come and tap into that level for a buy. When we had a buy, what did we see? I told you that to take that buy, you need to see this boy and that boy. Once you see one, two, what do? You take the buy. This is one, two, you take the buy. Where would that stop loss be? Previous level, which is here. So previous level is down here. Where would our target be? Remember, I said you risk 1% to get 2%, right? So
Mm,
1% to you want 2%. You see what happened? We found one touch, two touch. So our next touch is the third touch. When we have the third touch, we can take the buy. And what happened? One touch, two touch. Why do you think that makes sense? Because we are having higher highs and higher lows. What do you mean by that? This was a high, price created a higher low, we created a new high, we broke above this level, created a new higher high, then we created a new higher low. That means the next candle went on to create a new higher high, which was this high. Now we've had this higher high. Price never broke above this level. Remember, price just came and played around. We never broke above this price level. But we finally came back down to create a new higher low. Where did the higher low get created? It got created after the trend line one, two, three. So now we know that one, two is a bounce. We need a third touch to have the bounce. How do we know we have the third touch? That's when we see if I tap into the trend line and give you this and that. When we have doji and a bullish engulfing, like you usually talked about yesterday. Once you have the doji and the bullish engulfing, the moment the candle close, you take the buy. Where is your target? Risk 1% to get 2%. So you risk this percent to get 2%. You see the moment price got there, price started selling before it went up and then turned around. Pretty simple, isn't it?